Yo, what's up guys? In today's video, we're gonna be burping in people's faces again. Because, as you can see, I was just watching my videos. It went very good. It did very well. I appreciate my 64 subscribers, and I know I'm gonna be doing a stream here soon. Sorry for the delay for you guys, I'm sorry. Let's just see if anything. Yeah, okay. Alright. So let's go. Yo, White. Yo, White. White.
Yo, what's this? Dude, this is sick.
What the heck, man?
Don't run.
Welcome on the beach, don't dip it. And you're at nigga here, free
That
room.
crack? Was that cracky, man?
People are recognizing the burping. Alright, let's try a new lobby. Also, what is that glitch? Yo, Brown. Sorry about that. And that. No, not really.
If I die in this murder, I love Hitler.
Are you actually Russian?
Yes. I got
You want to
from
become Spider-Man? Watch this.
I got this one from eBay.
Yeah. Wait, give me those up.
Yo, yellow.
What type of new map do they have?
Hey, it's a family friendly, chill.
The water. Bro, is it crazy that a little kid was being toxic and one of my servers, I was reporting him and everything, and I was saying mean stuff back. He'd be saying that and everything. So, and then some people started saying, he doesn't know any better. What do you mean he does not know any better? He's literally saying it out loud. Yo, the Jordan! Yo, this guy trying to be weird. Come back here!
Lol, he went up to the. He went.
Come back here! Yeah! Come back here! I'm gonna hit him.
Bro, your puny burps are no match for me.
Guys, I have been literally to max level.
Get him wet! He hates being wet! Man, come outside! Get prisoner Guys, can anyone tell me if there's been any new maps in this lobby?
Yo, Purple, what's up?
Green. Just put my shiny rocks in the back, bro.
Yo, wait, hold on. Have you heard of the?
No!
What the hell?
Hey, Blue, you. Just put my shiny rocks in the back, bro. Just put my shiny rocks in the bag.
Heck no!
Hey, you. Just put my shiny rocks in the bag. Bro, I got no money. I bought all of that, and now I have no money now.
Guys.
I bought this.
Just give me my
Put my
money.
shiny rocks in the bag.
No.
So I only have like 3,000 back. Yeah.
Let's give me my money in 2024 and Madden. I'm kidding. What is that glitch though?
Oh, I like that. Ooh, there's a
Yo, bro.
Come.
Yo, bro.
Stay there.
Yo.
And choose my cosmetics. Because
Hello.
I'm actually stuck.
Hello.
Yeah.
I got a question for you.
What?
Have you heard of the...
Okay. Who wants it? Come over here. Me.
Yo, bro, have you heard of the...
Like in real life.
You should really watch it. It's so good.
You everyone look at me. Come on. So you can hear me. Okay.
Yo, line. Color code. Same color code as me.
Guys.
Have you heard of the...
Guys, I'm getting this plushie.
You should totally watch it.
Why?
It's like the best show. It's like trending. Just to let you know, it's called... That's what it's called. Come here, boy. Come here, boy. I'm burping.
They kind of look like that, yeah. And then,
Hey, bro.
but you are not. Mid, do you have a question? Okay, does
Yo, wait. What's up? What's up?
Does it have the ring around it?
Can I suggest this show for you to watch? It's called the...
And put it on your foot. I can barely do it. No, One sec, are the controller? I was putting it on my
Alright, this is a short version because my parents are getting mad at me right now. So, my parents are getting mad at me. Hold on. Also, I got a comment on my last one saying, "How do you burp like that?" Bro, it's just fat out training, bro. I've been burping like ever since I was like 7. Bro, it's just skill, bro. If you can't get that skill, then just take the L. No, I'm joking. But like burping's been like my bad. Still had a couple burps left in me. But the only part that gives a consequence is sometimes when my burps get like stuck in my stomach and it's just trapped air. It's just, it does not feel good. I have to like act like I'm hurling up a cat hair or a fur ball. Or about to throw up, bro. It sucks, but that's the consequences of burping. Peace out, babe.
What?
Sorry about that. What? Alright. See you later, guys. Bye.